Did you know that power tools can pose unexpected hazards in the workplace? Power tools are essential in many industries, but if not handled properly, they can lead to serious injuries. While we rely on them for efficiency, it's easy to overlook the hidden risks they present. Nearly 400,000 injuries occur each year due to power tool misuse. Every year, thousands of workers suffer injuries, ranging from cuts and burns to more severe accidents. Damaged or poorly maintained tools increase the risk of electric shocks, fires, and malfunctioning. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is your first line of defense when using power tools. Ensure you're always equipped with the right gear. Inspect your tools before each use. Never operate power tools when you're distracted or fatigued. Even a brief lapse in focus can have dangerous consequences. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and use the correct tool for the job. Improper use can lead to tools slipping, breaking, or malfunctioning. And remember, regular safety training and refreshers are key to preventing accidents. Stay alert, stay safe. By staying aware of the hidden hazards, you can protect yourself and your colleagues from unnecessary risks. Power tools are powerful. Handle with care. At Green World Group, we provide comprehensive workplace safety training. Contact us today to learn more.